Doing a video and I now need to put my nails. I need to show you guys. Okay, this video is going to be about the nails. I'm going to show you the nails that I got on Temu. Temu has really nice nails, trust me. Temu has really nice nails. I was shook. I was shocked. I was just like trying them out and I realized they were good. So feeling cold, feeling cold. So I just decided to put on this gown. It's a warm one while I put on some nails. So I got this nails on Temu. I went on Shein. I wanted to get things and I realized Shein, the shipping fee, Temu was free in the shipping fee. So I decided to get the nails. So first ones are, there's, I said they were 100. Are they 100? 1, 2, okay, let me see. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 24 times 5. It's more than 100. I think they had to put like a little bit of extra. 24 times 5, like it's more than 100. So it's more than 100. So like they have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 20, 24. 24 on, they're like this. Okay, let me just do this. They are 24 here. So these are like 5. They were going for, I'm gonna put the price over there. I think they were 40 rand or 30 something rand. I'm forgetting the price, but they were not expensive. They're really nice. They are really nice. Let me just do this. In the color, and the color is really, really, really nice. You see that? The color is pretty. So pretty. They are so pretty. They look so real. And I love that they are like thick. I'm gonna put the picture and the price on the screen. So they come in this packet. And then I also got these. These were how many? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 12 times 2, 24. 24, the black, and they're also so pretty. So cute. Gorgeous. They're gorgeous. They're really, really, really pretty. These are my favorite ones. I don't know where I got these. They are in my nail thing. I don't know where I got this piece. I don't know if it's Shein or Temu. I'm not sure. I don't remember. These ones I don't remember. I normally buy from Shein and Temu, so most probably I bought them there or another China shop. I'm not sure. So these are the nails, guys. So I'm gonna put this. I am going to show you how I stick them on. I am going to show you guys how I like to stick them on, and then yeah, I'll show you the results. They come with these, and these works. I wish I had bought these separate because I thought this big one came with the stick on, but didn't. So next time I buy on Temu, I will order these stick-ons, because now that I have a baby, it helps. They come with a tiny file, and so now that I've filed, I will take, just making sure so that like everything sticks. I don't want to make mistakes because I need them to stick properly. So yeah, take this out, and then as you can see, there are 2, 4, 6. There are 6, 6, 6, and then 6, 6. I already used this side. So you take it on the other side, and then you stick it on your nail. like this. So normally I do that to all of my nails. I take it, stick. So let me show you guys how they look. So this is how they look. So you kind of like peel this and you're left with this sticky part. I'm done removing and they're like this. I will just take my nail and stick. I normally like to put out. I normally like to push my cuticle out. You put and you do this. Quick and easy, baby. Quick and easy. Not even. It's just press, 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 press. Done. Okay, let me put lotion so that my hands won't be itchy. We don't want itchy hands. We do not want itchy hands when we have cute nails. No. It doesn't work like that. It does not work like that. Okay, we're done. Let's make sure everything is in place, honey. And you know what? These with time will get stronger and stronger. Like after 30 minutes or 15, they'll be really strong. Now they're a little bit, but now you see. Okay, let's just do this so that we can show you our hands, no ashy hands. Drum roll, please. Drum roll, please. Bam. Look at that. So this is the final result, guys. I love them. They are strong. Let me just do this. Now I can speak like this. Temu nails are beautiful. So let me tell you something. If you are a mom like me, if you do not like to put on nails every time, I used to, trust me, I used to love nails. But now that I have a baby, I'm a little bit flimsy. I'm a little bit, clumsy. So I said no nails. So since I gave birth to my baby, in fact, since I was pregnant, I never put on nails, and even now. So it's like almost 2 years without nails. But these stick-on nails are really good because you can see now they're strong. I can do this. Nothing. They are so strong. So if you want temporary nails that last maybe for a day and then you can remove, or 2 days or 3 days, yeah. I've not seen how long in days they last, because like I never put them like for days. As I told you, I now have a baby, so I put them when I want to use, when I want to do videos, when I want to take pictures, when I want to go out. I put them on, and then when I come back I remove them. That's what I do. I've never like spent days or exceeded a day with them, but trust me, by the time I want to remove these, I'm gonna struggle a bit. Like, it's not painful, but like the sticky glue thing will be like, yeah, they'll be stronger than they are now, but you can rip them off. So I really recommend these nails, guys. I really recommend these nails. They are beautiful, they are strong. You don't need to put on glue, you don't need to put on like nail polish, nothing. It's just them and you're good. So next time I'm going to try these out. I need to try this out. These, I think, the way I love these nails, guys, I have overused them every time. Like these days when I go out, when I'm doing this, when I'm doing that, I have these nails. So I think I need to give these a rest. The good thing is you do not throw these away, okay? That's the good thing. You reuse and reuse and reuse till you're tired. Like I have reused these like 5 times already. Trust me, 5 times. and when I'm done I just put them back. That's what I do. So they're really nice. So next time I'm gonna definitely try these. These are square. I think I've showed you before. I've shown you before. I cannot wait. Look at that. Huh. And you tell me Shein nails, Temu nails, the best. Temu nails, the best. I don't know if I need to do this for the thumbnail. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. I know. Yeah, it's cold in here. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. I really do hope you enjoyed, and I really do hope you try Temu nails. I haven't tried Shein nails, okay? I only tried Temu, so yeah, I can only vouch for Temu nails. So they're cute. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. I'll see you guys on my next one. Get into it. Get into it. Get into it. Your place is my place.